Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So I'm Gina, a certified holistic health coach who specializes in health, body, mind, and soul. Today I'm going to share how essential oils can improve your daily life and overall well-being. Bits of each oil, how to use them safely, and practical tips for incorporate them into your daily routine. So let's dive in. I want to say first to make sure you read every single interaction or warning sign they have on any of the labels of this essential oils when you're getting them, because you want to make sure it don't interact with anything. If you're pregnant, if you're young, just if you have certain diseases. So make sure you always look at that first. Okay. So let's go ahead and get into lavender oil. Lavender oil is one of those things that are just, it's something that people use in a lot of products, and it is relaxing. It's calming, great for reducing stress. It helps with anxiety. It promotes better sleep. It also has antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, which are great for skincare. So you can use them in your skincare products. You also can use them in different areas. So let's talk about a way that I like to use it. So I have kind of like a beach theme porch area, and that's where I'm at. It's enclosed and it's kind of like a four-season room. What you could do, you could take these, usually these open up like the little pillows or whatever, and definitely be careful because it might stain. So if you don't want it to stain, don't put it onto a pillow. But you should be able to just take it and open it up like this. So just open it up, and inside of there, hopefully you guys can see that okay. All you need to do is take a couple drops of oil, whatever you want to use, and just put them on there. Just put the oils right on there. And then you can close it back up. In your porch or your bedroom or whatever you want to use it, have like a little, you can actually put it in the middle if you want, fluff it back out, and it just gives it like such a nice and bright, and it just smells really, really good. Another way I like to use the lavender on, you can put it on, this is like a necklace, and I will have everything linked that I'm talking about in my description box. So don't worry about that if you see something that you're interested in. But these are there, you can put the essential oils on like the black spots, the black little balls, and it will stay there for the whole day. I love to use this. So if I just need an extra calming for the day, or I just need something a little bit more, I will go ahead and do that. So all you have to do is take a few drops of your choice. You can use lavender because that is relaxing if you need something to relax, or whatever you need. You take a couple drops and you just put them on the black spots and let it dry. You have to let it dry for a little while. Oh, it smells so good already. Let it dry. And then you can put it around your neck as a necklace. I usually use mine as a bracelet. So I will put it like this, and then I usually wear mine as a bracelet. I don't want to put it on because it's still wet, but that's usually how you do that. And I love this. You can just smell it from time to time. Just put your arm up there and smell it, but really, really good. That's another way I like to use that lavender. So maybe you just need a good night's sleep, so you can put it in a little bit on your sheets, or put a little bit in a spray bottle. So what I like to do is I will, so this is a spray bottle, and I actually have vanilla in this one. So the essential oil vanilla, because I love the way it makes my house smell. And what you could do is put just a dab of baking soda in here, and then you can put your essential oils, and then you can put like a little bit of alcohol, whatever you want to put in there. Shake it up, and then just spray it all over the sheets, or you could spray it in the room. It's like a room spray, and it smells amazing. It just kind of refreshes it. But if you use lavender, you're going to want to use it just on your sheets before you go to bed, and you're good to go. So that one is on lavender. The next one we're going to talk about is peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is really good. It's very powerful and potent, you guys. So, but it's known for its energizing and invigorating effects. It helps to relieve headaches, muscle pain, and also improve digestion. The ways that you can use it. Now, as far as digestion, you need to make sure that it is a food safe essential oil. Most of them are not. Okay, so don't ingest it unless it actually say you may ingest this, then do not ingest it. So we're just going to go with, nope, they're not ingestible. We're just going to do that. But as far as the peppermint oil, I'll tell you, so when you get it, so a lot of these oils that you get, they're not going to be diluted with anything. So you need to figure out what's the best carrier oil. Carrier oil is just an oil that you want to put it with, because if you put it on your skin, it might burn you. So say, for instance, you had a headache. Okay, so all you need is a few drops. So what we're going to do, we're just going to put just a little, just maybe a little bit of oil. Don't need a lot. That's it. And then we're just going to dilute it with the peppermint oil. Just a couple drops. That's all you need. And then we can just move it around like that. So you see there's barely any in there, and I'll show you how we apply that. You can put it on wherever you want to put it on, but I just have just a little bit right there, and you can put it right there for, like, if you have a headache, you can just put it right there and kind of massage it in. You can put it in the back of your neck to just kind of relieve a little bit of pain. You can put it right here, put it right there. Smell it in, just take it and smell it in. There's so many different ways that you can use it if you have pain or anything like that. But peppermint oil is really, really good for headaches and for tension. And if you just need to relax, peppermint oil is the way to go. All right, let's move on to the next one. Next, we're going to talk about tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is one of my favorite, but let's talk about the properties that it have. Tea tree essential oil, it has powerful antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties. It's widely used for skin care, cleaning, and immune support. Once again, as far as the immune support part, we don't want to kind of take it in unless we know we can ingest these oils, right? So we don't want to do that. But I use it a lot in cleaning products because it disinfects. So once you see tea tree in there, something like that, it is a disinfectant. It's something that's really good. It's good for skincare. Like if you have acne, it's good for acne, but make sure you really dilute it because you definitely don't want to burn. So one way I like to do, and these bottles, I love these bottles, but I like to do like a disinfectant or cleaning spray in here. It's so simple. Let me tell you the ingredients that you put in here. All you need is water or vinegar for a natural household cleaner. And then you also can put in quite a few drops of tea tree oil. And it is very simple like that. Now, I do use Dr. Bronner's in mine. I use Dr. Bronner's. I also put in my essential oils, or I use just something like that. But I'll do more videos on those. If you want to know exactly how do you make all of this stuff, just let me know in the comments. If you want to just disinfect something, but naturally, it's so much better than using like those other products that have harmful chemicals in it that could cause cancer or cause different breathing problems and things like that. That's how I actually got into youngest son. He's 23 now, but he was young and he had so many problems with asthma. And this holistic doctor had told me, it's probably the cleaning products that you're using in your home. I was using bleach. I was using all sorts of stuff. You don't want to do that. So you want to do more natural things like this. It's going to help longer in the long run. So you definitely want to go ahead and dilute it and put some stuff in there. Another way I like to do it is really simple. This is just a cleaning hand foam wash, but I'll put like in just a couple drops of tea tree oil and everything. This is a vanilla wash. I'll just show you. It's like a foam wash, but this bottle's amazing, by the way. But it's just foam. Smells so good, but I use just a little bit of tea tree oil in there just to make sure we're going to really disinfect everything. And then my main is vanilla because I like the vanilla oil. Use some Dr. Bronner's in there. You've got some good hand soap. That's it. So I like to use it in that because we're going to make sure once we put that tea tree oil in there, it's going to be cleansing. It's going to be good. It's going to make us feel good. And so I like that. The next one is eucalyptus oil. It's excellent for respiratory health and congestion relief. It also has anti-inflammatory properties. Okay. So even when my kids were little, what I would do is take a little bit of the carrier oil, put it in your hand, and then I will put a little bit of the eucalyptus in my hand, rub it together, and just smell it like that. I would put it at the bottom, or either put it at the bottom of their feet, and then put like a sock on there, and it helps with opening congestion. Just a natural way to get things moving and to kind of clear your throat. So eucalyptus is really, really good for that. Like diffusers. So I'll put a few drops in my diffuser and just get the smells going everywhere. And that's another good way to kind of clear your respiratory system and just kind of feel a little bit better. So that's another one that I really like to use, way to use it. But there's so many different ways for eucalyptus. But if you are sick and not well, that is what you want. Get that eucalyptus going because it's amazing. The last one is going to be lemon. Lemon essential oils is amazing. There's so many different essential oils. I might have to do a part 2, part 3 because I love them all. But these are just some of my favorite that I like to use. But lemon, it's known for uplifting and detoxifying properties. It can enhance your mood, your support digestion, and can be used as a natural cleaner. So that's another one that is just a natural cleaner that we like to use because you can put a little bit of lemon in there and it just feels fresh. Like have the windows open, have a little bit of lemon, just spraying in the little in your house, and you're just, it's feeling good, it's smelling good, it's feeling like summer. And yeah, so lemon is a really good one. Another thing you could do is you could put it, I like to make my own body wash, of course, too. And so this is just a body wash. Put it into here and you can put in some drops, and like early in the morning, you go ahead and you put that in and you scrub in your body. You're going to feel good. You're going to feel awake. It feels really good to have the lemon in that as well. Show you guys another thing that I like to do. I love vanilla. I love to use vanilla. That's not in my top 5 for wellness, but I'm going to tell you that vanilla is my favorite essential oil because I love the way it smells. So let me show you guys how I do my dryer balls. So like I make my own laundry detergent as well, but for the dryer sheets, instead of using the dryer sheets, you can use these little woven balls, right? So all you do, you could take a few drops of whatever oil you want. Lavender can actually refresh this and use it before you go to bed to maybe do your sheets or something. But you take a few drops and just put it like right on the woven, on the like the dryer balls, and oh my gosh, you guys, it smells so good. I mean, it is amazing how good your clothes will smell. But I like to do that, and then I bought this little container to put them in. You just put the little container, the top on it, and it just keeps it smelling fresh. I've had this in here for a while. They don't go bad, so in between washes it's fine. You could refresh them if you wanted to do that, but I do like that. I also will make my own hair oil for my hair, and then I just put it into this bottle. I had this bottle before, so I just will keep it in there. But inside of there is like essential oil. So I got like tea tree oil, and I just take that little bottle and just put it right in my hair, just to kind of refresh it. And it's just filled with oils and goodness. So instead of buying other people things, get you a bottle, get you something, and then just keep refilling that bottle, because that's what's going to work. Those are my top essential oils. So keep in mind, you want to keep them stored in like a dark place. Be very careful, make sure you dilute them. They are very powerful. A lot of people think, oh, they're just nothing. They are very powerful, and they do work. They're just more holistic, more natural. They work amazing. You can have, instead of, even if you don't want to use the candle, you can actually make your own candle and put like essential oils in there. We can do that too, y'all. We can do a whole lot of things on this channel. Just let me know in the comments of anything that you want to see, and I will try to do a video on that for you. For this video, please go ahead, leave a comment, subscribe if you like, and check out the links on my gratitude journals, my prayer journals, different things I have. Also have a free ebook as well that I'll put all in the link in the description box. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video to be helpful, and I'll talk to you later and see you in the next video. Bye guys.